What we have here is a map of Sydney. This map is running off a web application server. This web server is running off LiveView server, TIBCO LiveView. And what we're using is the client API, which are JavaScript libraries connecting directly into LiveView. They are registering for specific queries on custom tables created inside LiveView. As soon as information are loaded into LiveView server, the LiveView server will automatically push information to the client, in our case, the map. To show you that, what we're going to do is we're just going to give command to LiveView to load some of the files, and as soon as those files are loaded, you can see that the data is automatically loaded onto the map. So in our case, we've loaded about 7 bus lines and few hundreds of bus stops. So I can, of course, on the map show and hide as I wish all the lines and the bus stop, and here I can go into more details. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select only the M52 because that's the longest line that we have, which starts from Parramatta and finish in the CBD, but we could focus on any others. Also, for the purpose of this demonstration, only 7 lines are loaded, but you can imagine that Sydney got much more bus lines than that. I'm gonna enable the bus stop as well because I think that's quite important. And something which is good to know is if I click on a bus stop, I can get more information. So the data currently displayed on the screen is real data. It's the data loaded from Transport for New South Wales. They provide statics file which follow the GTFS, the Google Transit feed scheme, which is an open source scheme that allows you to define routes, buses, bus stops, timetables, and it allows you to load all this information onto Google Maps. Transport is following this format and to distribute all the format like this, and it's openly available as long as you register on the website. The engine what the engine does actually is identify the fact that this bus stop is used by multiple bus lines. In our case, the 502, 504, 505, 506, and the M52, and therefore we can show directly that all the buses coming through this bus stop are here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start one of the scenarios to show how we can identify a cluster.